लेट मी आस्क यू समथिंग ऑनेस्टली। अगर आज आपसे कोई कहे स्टार्ट लिविंग सस्टेनेबली फ्रॉम टुमारो, आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या होगा? कंफ्यूजन, प्रेशर, या फिर ये थॉट यार ऑलरेडी लाइफ डिफिकल्ट है? एंड दैट रिएक्शन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इंडिया टुडे इज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज। लोग क्लाइमेट चेंज को फील कर रहे हैं लिटरली। हीट वेव्स, water storage, extreme weather. Still, sustainability feels distant. So today, no motivation lecture, no guilt. सिर्फ एक real question. Why does going green still feels hard for ordinary people? Let's look at real life. Morning rush, office deadlines, family responsibilities, financial pressure. In this chaos, decisions are not ideal. They are quick. प्लास्टिक बैग ले ली, डिस्पोजेबल कप यूज कर ली, ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करते वक्त पैकेजिंग इग्नोर कर दी. नॉट बिकॉज पीपल आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बिकॉज कन्वीनियंस विंस व्हेन सर्वाइवल मोड इज ऑन. सस्टेनेबिलिटी completes when the mental bandwidth and bandwidth is limited. Now, think about how sustainability is presented. Separate waste, switch products, track footprints, measure impact. For an average household, this sounds like a project, not a habit. Behavioral science tells us people avoid actions that increases cognitive load. जितना ज़्यादा सोचना पड़े उतना कम एक्शन होता है. Green choices need to feel supportive, not demanding. Let's talk money. When people see eco-friendly, they expect higher prices, and often they are right. But here's the expect insight. Prices signal shape behavior more than values. When sustainable products cost more, they subconsciously get labeled as optional. Meanwhile, India already practices sustainability in many ways, repairing instead of placing, reusing containers, minimizing waste. But these actions are never celebrated as climate actions. We underestimate existing sustainability. Another major barrier, information chaos. Everything claims to be green, but no one explains what impacts looks like, what trade-offs exist, what actually matters. When trust reduces, people disengage. They stop trying to do the right thing because they don't know what right is anymore. Confusion creates inaction. Let's be honest. Beans exist today. Collection system exists. Still, public littering continue. Why? Because responsibility in India is still viewed as private, not civic. Home, clean. Outside, ignore. True sustainability require expanding personal ethics into shared spaces. Infrastructure can't alone fix mindset. Behavioral changes lags behind system change. Many environmental messages rely on fear, but fear creates fatigue. When people are constantly told they are failing the planet, they mentally opt out. Sustainability should feel achievable, not overwhelming. Empowerment beats guilt every single time. Here's the truth. People are not anti-environment. They are anti-pressure, anti-confusion, anti-judgment. The future lies in simple systems, default green choices, honest communication, incremental progress. You don't need perfection. You need participation. What makes going green difficult for you right now? Thank you for watching. Do follow us on Instagram. Do like and share with your friends and colleagues.